Okay, so I thought I'd show you my Isle of Man TT packing. We're getting ready to go. It's getting close. We're about 3 weeks off. And I'm just making sure I've got all my equipment. So this is my Tekmoto camera bag, and I just thought I'd share with you what I'm going to be taking over to the island. So here we have, let's just go through it bit by bit. So we've got two GoPro 4s here, incredibly useful for putting around the bike. We've got a GoPro 4 case. We've got a Theta 360 camera here for taking 360 shots. We have a battery pack for charging 3 GoPro Hero 7 batteries. We've got battery backpacks and all sorts of accessories, screens and things for the GoPros. We have a remote control for the GoPros there, spare batteries for the GoPro 4s. Over here we have a tripod, little handy tripod that'll hold most things. We have here lapel mic transmitters and receivers in case we want to do some shots from a distance. We have my gimbal here, which I featured in another video, memory cards, and then we have this. These are pretty cool. So obviously we're camping in the Isle of Man, so we're not going to have power. So this is a 25,000 milliamp hours charger, so a battery pack, portable battery pack. But the cool thing about this battery pack is when you run out of charge, it's got 4 solar panels to charge it back up, which is pretty cool. But that will charge a phone maybe 10 times, and you can just leave it in the windscreen of your car and it'll recharge. We've got 2 of those. In the top here we have accessories. Now this is always a dangerous business, opening this up in case things fall out, but just to show you, all the wires you could possibly want, all the accessories, little sticky pads, tripod there, there's a little microphone for the GoPro Hero 4, spare muffs, all sorts of stuff in there. So I think I'm fully equipped. With this box I can film for at least a week without having to recharge. I've got 3 cameras in there, a gimbal, battery packs, microphones, everything I could possibly want. So I think we're ready. Very excited.